I stayed in one of the most expensive hotel in Dallas, Frisco, 4 nights for free. And here's how I do it. Hi, my name is Diana. I'm a nomad. I lived and traveled in my SUV full time. And today is gonna be how I stayed in this beautiful, luxurious hotel 4 nights for free. I slept here under this parking lot, this luxurious hotel parking lot, for 4 nights in a row.
Always been too fast with the whims and the weed, and I could change the past. I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas, never stop coming in and break my fast. This life's coming in.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me.
I'm cleaning up my home. I'm gonna soap it down. I'm actually using some dishwashing liquid. After washing my car yesterday, I went straight to the laundromat because, I had to do laundry. I washed everything back there again because I try to wash my sheets once a week. Oh, and I picked up some new stuff at Goodwill. Like, all right, I'm going to show you the weirdest thing I have ever picked up. So I saw this at Goodwill. So you see it opens up and it closes and it hooks like right there. See that? I just hook it right there. Oh, I picked it up for $5.99. On it says kitchen waste. So I guess it's trash. It's a trash can for kitchen. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm trying to improve in here. And I also got this. I know I had one already, but I didn't like it too much. So this is more modern. It says, let's eat, drink, and barbecue, which is right in, which that is nice. So, yeah. And I picked that up. I always rope it on so it doesn't, when I'm driving, it doesn't fall off. And also I picked that, this thing up, and I also rope it on as well. Yeah, and I'm liking this thing. I don't know what the hell. I never seen anything like this, but I really liked it. Yeah, so by the way, in Texas, I'm in Texas, in Dallas, Texas. Yeah, I'm gonna grab my stuff. Well, I have to say thank you to everyone that recognized me in Texas, in Dallas. I didn't know people would recognize me here, but like 5 people came up to me already and introduced themselves that they watch my content and stuff like that. Oh my, I so appreciate you. Thank you. I didn't I'm speechless. Like, I'm going on to my business, and everybody, and 5 people came up to me. Like, they said, "Are you Diana? I watch your content." And then they use My name is Diana. I lived and traveled. I'm a nomad. My name is Diana. I'm a nomad. I lived and traveled in my SUV full time. You're Diana, right? Yeah, so the first guy that recognized me was down in, I'm locking my car door. See, I parked all the way, like in no man's land, and Starbucks is way over there. Yeah, so the first guy that recognized me was down in, up in Smoky Mountains. Yeah, he was, like, didn't know how to say hello. So he was standing behind me for quite a while. And till, you know, he got the courage to come up to me to say hi and ask me if I'm Diana. And yeah, that was the first person that recognized me. And then I came to Texas. I can't believe 5 people came up to me already and recognized me. I can't believe this. Yeah, they're like, are you Diana? I lived and traveled in my SUV full time. And I'm like, yeah. They're like, oh my God, I can't believe I met you. And then we were talking for quite a while. These people were talking my ears off. They didn't want to leave me. Yeah, I had ordered some stuff from Amazon, so I'm on my way to pick it up. Yeah, little stuff that nothing major, just some little bags like this. Alright, so I got my package. Yeah, this is my first time using it. It was quite easy. All I did, I order, and then Amazon show like the nearest location where you can pick up stuff at their locker. So I download the app. They tell you when the package arrives. I just go in the app and opened up the locker, and it pops right open. And yeah, my package is ready. I am not going to show you what I ordered because it's very personal. Another time when it's not that personal. Yes, it's probably loud out here. It's 9:15 p.m. Yeah, I've been running around all morning since 9:30. People are shopping for Thanksgiving, so Instacart is very busy. Like, I'm here, I'm stuck with all this groceries, all of that in my car from there, and I don't know what to do with it. I think I'm gonna keep them for tonight and then donate them tomorrow. Like last week, I stuck with over $400 worth of groceries, and I had to take it to the pantry and donate because people have been putting the wrong addresses, and then Instacart just leave you with the groceries. Like, now I'm with it because I don't know. It's in my situation. I don't need all this food. 3 loaves of bread. If I eat all of this, look at this. If I eat all of this, I'm gonna be big and fat. Look at all that. I can't eat all this. Milk. I think I'm gonna have to throw out the milk though, because it's not gonna be good anymore by tomorrow. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sort out through these stuff. Got these milk. See what I'm telling you? I have to donate. I'm going to throw these out because they're not going to be good for tomorrow. good. I'm keeping one of these. And I got 3 loaves of bread. 3. And even if I had a home and refrigerator, I could never ever keep all these things. Last week I was stuck with over 400 worth of groceries. I mean, that's a lot of food, and it keep happening. Even when I was in New York, like it keep happening over and over and over again, over all the time. Okay, the gym is right there. It's right there, that building right there. That's the gym right there. So I'm gonna head over there and take a shower because they close at 10 o'clock. And I'm gonna throw out the milk. I have 2 cartons of milk, and the rest of stuff I'm just gonna keep in my car for tomorrow, until tomorrow. Then I donate them. And I'm keeping one of the barbecue chips for myself and a loaf of bread. So I am on top of the building. Let me see what's going on. Oh, this is outside. I don't want to be outside. I'm going to turn around. This is the very top, and nobody's up here. So it's be kind of sketchy, me being by myself up here. So, and then I'm kind of trying to get away from the cold, not getting into the cold. So I'm going to go back down. Let me turn around. All right, so I turn around. Let me head back down. All right, so let's see. Right there, I can see through those cracks. The wind is gonna blow in, so I don't want to stay there. Let me turn right here. Here, I think I should be good right here between these walls. Yeah, so I'm back. I took a shower. And so this is what I did with the fruits. I put everything right there together. So I got some blackberries and tomato and the juice and bread. Yeah. So that's what I saved. I'm saving out of all the groceries because those are like... Okay, so I am all ready for bed. Oh, jeez. I know, like, I don't film in here at night because it's way too dark.
Just gonna take the dog for a walk.
So I put it over here.
You're always saying I'm so predictable. I wanted to shake things up a bit, make it a little less predictable.
Sorry. Come in.
Hi, good morning. morning. Oh, it's so dark in here. What time is it? Let me check the time. Oh, it is 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. Let me get up and put my clothes on because I'm up. I don't know why I've been waking up so early lately. Maybe because I fall asleep early. All right, so now that I'm dressed, I'm wearing this shirt, my favorite shirt. It seems like I wear it every day, but no, I don't. And some tights. Now, I am this baby right here. I am in the mood for her today. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Yes, baby. Okay, so that's the look. All right, so let's get out of here. I'm going to show you the rest of the hotel. Yes, I've been in this luxurious hotel for 4 nights. I stayed here for 4 nights. Yeah, so I wonder if I can stay here for 5 nights. Yeah, you need a code to get in here. And I have the code because I used to work here. So I know this building. I know this place. I worked here for 2 years. And I know the code. I can't believe they haven't changed the code or anything to get here in the parking lot. But, yeah, let's go out and take a look. And this is where I sleep, under this luxurious parking lot for 4 nights in a row. There is the parking lot. That's my car. So I am in here trying to use the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Oh my. Dallas Frisco, and yeah, it's just nice here. Actually, I'm trying to get to this pool outside, but it's closed. Oh no, where you can see actually the football stadium where they practice, but from the pool you can see it, but they're closed. I'm gonna try to find another way. All right, let me tell you about Frisco a little bit. Frisco is the suburb of Dallas. It's located probably about 25 to 30 minutes out of Dallas City. And this is the top zip code, one of the top zip code that you can live. Like, a lot of filthy rich people lived in Frisco. Like, it's very expensive to live here, and it's a very safe neighborhood. It's really good neighborhood. A lot of superstars like Steve Harvey have a house down here, somewhere down here. I know this because I lived here for 5 years. And a lot of Dallas Cowboys you can see running around here, and nobody bothered them. They just walk around. And movie stars, I seen the guy, what's he called, Thorn from that movie, Thorn. Yeah, he was around here the other day shopping. Nobody bothered him, like he was a regular person just in the store shopping. So Frisco is one of, like, it is so wealthy. I lost my wallet. Listen to this. This is so strange. I lost my wallet twice here in Frisco with money and everything and credit card in there. And I got it back the way I lost it. Like, not a penny was taken from my wallet. And I got it back. It's crazy. I know it's unheard of, but people around here, they don't really need your money. They're filthy rich. This is where the really rich people hang out. Like some filthy rich people around here, man. Believe it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my next location, and on the way I'm gonna stop and make some food to eat. I've been here for 5 days sleeping in this spot. So I feel like I need to move because I don't want to get the knock. I got the knock once, and it wasn't funny at all. And I don't want to get the knock a second time. I am trying to avoid the knock at all costs. So I'm going to move from this area. I'm going somewhere else. Yeah. I stayed a total of 4 nights at the Dallas Cowboy headquarters. Even though I stayed at the hotel parking lot, it was nice. And my bed was comfortable. I took my jacket off. It's a little cluttered right now. Yeah. Wait. There we go. Yeah, right there. So, it was nice staying at the Dallas headquarters for 4 nights as a guest in their parking lot. It was very nice. I enjoyed my stay there. Look how close the moon is. Oh my God, I have never seen it before like this close. Look at this, how beautiful. Wow. That is gorgeous. I am spending the night here at this rest stop in Texas. This is beautiful. You should see the restroom. The restrooms are so beautiful inside. I'm gonna show you inside tomorrow. This area is really nice. Oh, I'm just making egg sandwich for dinner tonight. That's it. Just egg sandwich. Let me turn this light on. That's it right there. That's all I'm having for dinner tonight. And I'm going to bed early. I'm not going back outside because they said beware of rattlesnake. So this rest stop that I'm at, they have 24-hour security, and you're allowed to spend overnight here. Even free Wi-Fi they got. this rest stop, the inside is beautiful. Like I'll show you tomorrow because I'm not going back out there tonight. All right, I'm gonna call it a night here because I'm gonna eat this sandwich, watch a movie, and just staying for the night, and that's it. That's all I'm doing for tonight. I'll see you in the morning. Watch for rattlesnake. Ooh, scary, scary, scary. All right, good morning. Good morning. Oh, I slept in late. I woke up at 8:30 this morning, and I'm still at the rest stop. I washed up in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom earlier, and then I remember that I want to show you the inside after rest stop. So let's go inside and check it out. Look at this, they even have like a bar area in here. Isn't this nice? Can you believe this is a rest stop? This is so gorgeous. So vintage. Beautiful rest stop. Look at this Charlie. And the bathroom is so clean. And smell good too. I don't know what they use to clean the bathroom, but it smells amazing in here. See, look how clean that is. I am going to use the bathroom right now. Okay, I'll see you soon. Yeah, so this is where I'm gonna end the video, and I will see you at my next adventure. So enjoy your week, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye from Texas.